Video creation can be a time-consuming process. I have created more than 300 videos in the past 4 years, and I managed to publish a video every week. I will share with you the process that facilitates and helps you to create more videos faster. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Let's see what's coming now. We need to upload videos to YouTube in a fast and effective way, and of course provided that we're uploading good content. With the number of videos available online and with the highly challenging competition, how can you do that? 1. Have a content strategy. You cannot really create high-impact videos quickly without strategy and a content plan. You should know what you're making, so you won't waste time, money, and energy producing content that doesn't hit the target. Your content strategy should include how will you answer your target audience's questions and address their problems through your videos. 2. Find YouTube video topics. Perform a research online by using Google or YouTube to come up with related video topics. Always ask yourself these questions when doing the research. What are the hot and trending topics in your niche? What problems your audiences are trying to solve? What your viewers are searching for? Keep up with the topics that empower you and make you feel strong and knowledgeable, and your videos will be faster and quicker to create. 3. Keyword research. Using the list of topics ideas, it will be a good idea to explore some keywords to solidify the topics and help you to write the proper titles, descriptions, and tags. 4. Script your YouTube videos. I prefer to use a written script for my videos. You can write an outline for your videos to know what you will cover and to be able to deliver value in a concise way. 5. YouTube video production tips. I usually record an average of 6 videos in one sitting. I have a dedicated space to shoot my videos, and it takes me just a few minutes to start the process. Decide where most of your content is to be recorded. So don't think about how to stand, where to look, where to place your tripod, what light you need, whether you have to use a microphone, background, etc. You can use some clues to help you in the editing process, like some clapping or silence, to know what parts that should be removed. I have B-rolls ready to be used for all my videos, like the intro, outro, and animations. 6. Create thumbnail templates. I have some Photoshop thumbnail templates that I use for my videos. You can change the template every few months to test if the click-through rates will change or not. You can also use some free online tools to create thumbnail templates like Canva. 7. Schedule your videos publishing time. You can upload all the videos edited and ready to be published once. Add all the titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails and schedule them to be published according to your plan. 8. YouTube video marketing strategy. Don't waste your time creating content and hoping one day someone will watch it. You should have a solid video marketing plan of how you are going to find your audiences online and what social media platforms you are going to share your videos. If you want to be a video marketing machine, you should be committed to a schedule. Creating videos takes time to be efficient as well as effective. You want to be good at time management. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.